How to use leverage for easier heavy lifting. Imagine you are faced with a task that requires moving a heavy object. It can be daunting, but there is a principle that can transform this challenge into a manageable one. This principle is known as leverage, and it is a fundamental concept in physics that can be applied in everyday situations to make lifting easier and more efficient. Leverage involves using a tool or device to amplify your strength. The most common example is a lever, which consists of a rigid bar that pivots around a fixed point called the fulcrum. By positioning the fulcrum closer to the load you want to lift, you can significantly reduce the amount of force needed to lift that load. For instance, if you have a long beam and you place the fulcrum closer to the heavy end, you can push down on the other end with much less effort than if you were trying to lift the object directly. Another practical application of leverage is found in tools such as crowbars and wheelbarrows. A crowbar allows you to lift heavy objects by applying force at a distance from the fulcrum, making it easier to move or pry open items. Similarly, a wheelbarrow distributes the weight of the load over a wheel, reducing the effort required to transport heavy materials. By using these tools, you can accomplish tasks that would otherwise be impossible or requiring excessive strength. In addition to physical tools, leverage can also be applied in a broader sense. For example, when working with a team, you can leverage the strengths and skills of each member to achieve a common goal. By delegating tasks according to individual strengths, you can accomplish more with less effort than if everyone were to tackle the same task independently. Understanding how to use leverage effectively can transform the way you approach heavy lifting. Whether you are moving furniture, lifting construction materials, or even collaborating on a project, applying the principles of leverage can lead to more efficient and less strenuous outcomes. Embracing this concept not only enhances your physical capabilities, but also encourages smarter strategies in various aspects of life.